Before coming to this course, I did not have the mindset of investing, but now it feels like, yeah, everyone can do it. I am Vidhi Patel and I am a scientist and now doing science editing, helping scientists publish their papers. Basically from the point of view of being financially independent and hopefully retiring early. So from that point of view, wanted to make a passive source of income. I think investing would be a good avenue to get into earning a bit more money. I've tried learning about investing by myself earlier, but the way Cayden breaks down investing, not trading, but investing, is really what I really appreciate because it's very scientific approach towards investing. Basically how we run experiments in science as well. You find out the best way to approach and then you go all in. I like his style of breaking down investing, which seems like a big task, into smaller chunks that we can internalize very easily. Again, before coming to this course, I did not have the mindset of investing, but now it feels like, yeah, everyone can do it, so can I. So that mindset change was the first thing. And second is understanding the company. That's one part that not many people get into who start trading. So that how to understand a company was what I loved about it. The research part, I liked about it. If you're not an investor, and I'm sure everyone wants to be financially free, they want to not just be slaves to their jobs as the only source of income. One of the best ways would be to invest, and why not VIA?